I have taken a macro photograph of my HM207 mic cable which is frayed. Interesting findings. I hope you can see the pointer. There are several wires of different colors which are intact, and I read online that this red one is likely to carry 8 volts voltage, positive voltage. So if something else is shorted to it, I will have a real problem in my radio. So I am not going to repair it myself at the moment. I am looking at whether I'll get a replacement cable. Tomorrow during office hours, I am planning to contact the vendor who supplied it to me. Buying from overseas is probably not a simple option for me in this region. And the interesting findings are there are several of these strands. Even these strands are appearing as multi-strand twisted wires, not single strands. Each one appears to be twisted strands, and they look like copper. Several are there. I had separated them out. This probably has come off from this connector. I'm not sure whether this was actually connected inside, but anyway, this has come out. And these are thread-like structures, obviously non-conducting material, some messenger line like thing, anchoring for something like that. These colored wires seem to be intact on both ends. This copper wire is almost disconnected on both sides, but I found this interesting. This is a silver colored wire here, multiple stranded wires. This is connected inside. So probably these are two earthing systems, I don't know, or shielding systems. This one probably connected inside while this one is not, because I don't think all the wires would come out if they were twisted and soldered inside. That's all my presumptions. While this is twisted and soldered, what I read online was that this black one is likely to be the mic ground. This is positive voltage, mic ground, and these two I'm not sure. I didn't read about these two. I read only one shield wire. Here there appears to be more than one type, so I am really confused. I am posting these details so that some friends can offer their comments. Somebody would have had this problem earlier, so they can always tell me. At least I can learn about it, even though it may be advisable not to repair it myself, because if my friend, what my friends told me and also what I read online, if I short this 8 volts to some other things, I'll certainly end up blowing a fuse or some other regulator ICs inside the radio, which will be even more difficult to get repaired than getting a replacement cable, and definitely likely to be much more expensive.